Welcome back to Geared Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to create a local user account on Windows 10 PC. For this, first press Windows plus R key on the keyboard and here type netplwiz. I will provide all these one commands in this video description also, so in case if you need you can copy it from there. After this one command typing or pasting this one command, click on this one OK button. This will open user accounts window on your Windows 10 PC. Here click on this one add button and then click on this one link at the bottom, sign in without a Microsoft account, not recommended. Then click on this one local account button. Now type a username you want to add on your PC. If you need, you can set a password here or you can also leave it blank. Just confirm the password, whatever you have typed above. Again, retype in the confirm password option. And then if you need, you can type a password hint. If not required, you can leave this one option blank. Then click on this one next button. This will create a local account on your Windows 10 PC. To switch account, click on this one start button and you will see here image. Click on this one and from here you can select and log into your newly created account. That's all about this video.